Hey, Mike, check. One, two. Hello everyone. Today I am going to be showing you ano ba man ipapakita ko sa inyo. Today I'll be showing you my setup, motovlog setup right here. This is my motovlogging setup right here. So for those of you who is an aspiring motovlogger or wants to start a motovlogging channel kasi nagsusulputan na yung motovlogging ngayon and you don't know what or where to start, first and foremost, kailangan mo ng motor. You need an action camera. Marami kang pagpipilian kung action camera yung pag-uusapan. You have your Gopro, you have your Sony, you have your DJI, HJ Cam, Xiaomi Yicam. So if you are going to ask me, my action camera is this one right here. Ito, Hero 4, GoPro Hero 4. Hero 4 pa po yan. This is, I think, 4 years old. So, it can record 1080p at 60 fps. So, pwede na siya for motovlogging. Kasi yung 60 fps naman, enough na siya for letting you adjust your frame rate in editing para magkaroon ka ng slow-mo. Pwede na siya for slow-mo. Of course, you need a mount. This one right here. I am using a chin mount, a helmet strap mount by none other than Telesin Philippines. The advantage of having this one compared to your mount na kailangan mong idikit is the advantage of flexibility and reusability. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. If you have a new helmet, you can use this one again and again. Unlike the one that I've showed you earlier, once nagamit mo na siya, matatanggal nga siya pero kailangan mo pang mag-effort. Kailangan mo siyang gamitan ng matulis na bagay. Unlike this one, tanggalin mo lang yung strap, pwede mo na siyang magamit sa ibang helmets mo. Aside from that, this one is cheaper. And based on durability naman, so far, for how many months? I think 4 months ginagamit ko siya. Andito pa naman. So, I guess durability is up. Actually, I've been vlogging for more than a year. Started last year around February 2018. So, been vlogging for more than a year. So, this has been my mic. Although, pangalawa ko na tong mic. This is the Boya BY-M1 yata. So, I purchased a wind muff o windscreen. Yung kasama niya na windscreen is maliit lang. So, this one is better for blocking the air or the wind para maganda yung audio mo. Although, hanggang ngayon, meron pa talagang mga instances na medyo malakas yung hangin. Especially if you're driving more than 80 kilometers per hour na. Now, lately, for comfort and for convenience, I've been using this mic right here. This one. I think parang may ganitong setup si Wonder on Two Wheels. He is using a mic na parang galing sa headset. Ito galing kasi sa ito, Razer na headphones. Di ko na siya ginagamit. So, instead of using the Boya, I'm using this one. Kasi mas maliit siya and yung Boya kasi mataas yung wire niya. So, masyadong mataas. This one is maybe 2 meters max or 1.5 meter lang. So, this one is much better. Ang ginagawa ko lang is I am connecting this to my cell phone right here. And then, this one, the mic. What I do is, kasi wala tong windscreen, I simply tuck it in inside your cheek pads. So, ganyan, pinapasok ko lang here sa cheek pads. Once suot mo na siya, siyempre, mape-press siya or di naman siya malalaglag. So, if you have seen some of the motovloggers, they are using a mic adapter directly to their camera. Example na lang, itong GoPro. Meron siyang port dito. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mic. Unfortunately, mahal yung adapter ng GoPro. At the same time, may disadvantage siya. Having to use it directly. Although, mas convenient siya kasi di mo na kailangang mag-sync sa editing. Unfortunately, kung ang setup mo naman is like talking head, bali yung camera mo connected sa handlebar ng motor mo, di mo siya pwedeng gamitin kasi maikli lang yung cable na connected sa action camera mo. Having a mic na connected sa cellphone mo, mas flexible siya kasi may nagtatanong sa comment section na paano ko daw nakukuha yung audio, camera ko nasa handlebar naman. So that is just a basic ng editing which is syncing. Sinisync ko lang sa editing. Bali yung audio ko kinukuha ko using this mic connected to my phone, and then yung camera, may audio din naman. That is why napapansin yun yung mga motovloggers or myself, I do clap in the start of the video. Kasi yung clap na yun, yun yung magiging indicator pagka-sync mo. Tinutugma mo yung audio sa editing. Yung clap is yung pataas na waveform. So yun yung magiging basihan mo sa pag-sync ng audio para pantay sila. Once na na-sync na siya, you just mute your audio from the camera and you just use the audio from your mic or from your cell phone. Of course, there are also mamahalin na setup. They're using a helmet intercom. Pwede din yun, but unfortunately, gaya ng sabi ko, hindi siya ganun ka-flexible kasi parating nasa helmet lang siya. Unlike this one right here, kunwari, I will take off my helmet, I will just put this one underneath sa damit ko. So, meron pa rin akong mic. Or if you have this Boya mic right here, you can also use this one, clip it in your clothing. Meron ka ng audio. Kung napapansin nyo, pag yung video di ganun kagandahan, pero yung audio maganda, you'll watch it longer. Compared to yung video maganda, pero yung audio di maganda. Talagang di mo tinatapos yung video. So, that is one basic na dapat mong gawin if you're planning to motovlog or vlog in general. So, set up ko yun. Helmet, helmet strap mount, action camera. Apart from that, this is another way, or kung nakikita nyo yung iba, yung perspective nila is nakikita talaga yung kamay, tapos yung panel ng motor, tapos yung daan.
Currently around 70 kilometers. 80.
Ito yung ginagamit nila, chest mount. So, para siyang bra. Susuot mo siyang ganon. Of course, you need a J buckle mount. Yun. Gaya mo yung camera. This is also another way. Kasi magkaibang perspective. Although, kung iisipin mo, yung chin mount talaga is yung pinaka-flexible na mount. Nakikita ng audience mo kung anong tinitingnan mo. Compared to this one, chest mount, yung nakikita lang nila is yung nasa harap mo. Unless, if you're going to sway your body left or right. So, another mount na binigay sa atin ng Telesin Philippines, sa kamay ikakabit. Ito. This one right here. Oops. Yan. Just insert it and then tighten it up. So yun. This is also another way of giving your audience perspective na hindi siya common sa motovlogging. Although pag sinabi nating motorcycle riding, pa-vibrate siya. Putting your camera is same lang din. It's like that one. So, ganyan. So, I think maalog talaga kapag ganito.
Of course, this will be a lot, or this will create vibrations kasi nasa kamay ko. And at the same time, I am using an old camera which is the Hero 4 Silver. Di siya katulad ng mga bagong camera which has stabilization.
Although this can be useful kung bababa ka ng motor, kailangan mong dalhin yung camera mo kasi nati-twist siya. Instead of holding your camera like that one, you can just point it in your face kasi nati-twist siya. Okay. If you are motovlogging or if you want to motovlog, I think this one is the most basic na dapat mong bilhin. The helmet strap mount. I guess that would be all for my motovlogging setup. This has been your boy JCUTMoto saying you bye-bye.